focus on what's real, man.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is currently 1:28 p.m. I am finally up, ready to go. Almost, oh, I guess I say it. I'm almost ready to go. I got up at like 10:30, laid in bed for a little bit, took a shower, which was much needed. My hair is finally like back, not brassy anymore. It looks great. I need to brush it out, but I'm waiting to do that once I paint my toenails so that way my toes can dry and then I can brush my hair. I'm just watching a few YouTube videos because today is the day that I'm going to clean my room. I've decided it. It's super messy, like I'm super embarrassed to show you, but I will because it is the truth. It is what it's like coming home from college. Last year it took me a few weeks to get like cleaned and everything, so I'm determined to bust that out. And I also am going to clean my shower and clean my vanity area, but I also need to eat food because I haven't eaten yet today. But first thing I'm gonna do is paint my toenails, brush my hair, eat food, and clean. Let's do this. So I just finished eating. As you can see, my hair is brushed, my toes are done. I have my YouTube pulled up also. Yeah, my hair used to be wavy, but now it's like mainly straight because it's long. Anyway, my YouTube video is pulled up and I am about ready to conquer my room. Let's get started. And also, guys, I'm sorry for a whole bunch of time lapses in the last videos, but guess what? You're gonna get a cleaning montage and it's gonna be great. Cleaning montage starts now. Organized my makeup and it's an organized chaos. So the lips are here, most of them. So these are like big lip stuff, and then it's arranged by color darkest to lightest. And then I have lip pencils here with some lip glosses and lips, like liquid lipsticks, some more liquid lipsticks. Right here is eye pencils, and then I have my primer and setting spray, got eyelash curler and like extra stuff. Here's brushes, brush holders. This didn't fit anywhere. I need to put this away, but, and then these are all palettes and everything. And then back here we have foundations and lotion and a liquid lipstick that didn't fit. More lotion and my Shape Tape. And then we have mascaras. This will be holding Q-tips, and then sponges. That's all my makeup. Eat. Welcome to my bathroom. Also, why does my bun always look good when I don't need it to? And yes, this is a McDonald's beach toy from 500 years ago. I'm about to clean my shower and you're gonna get a time lapse of it. I'm gonna be watching YouTube videos, and this is my bleach shirt. Basically the shirt that I wear when I don't want to get bleach on anything else. I wear this shirt. Yes. And let's start a time lapse of cleaning my bathtub, because that's entertaining. Sure. just finished deep cleaning, like deep cleaning the bathroom. Yeah, I got bleach all over my shirt, so that is why you wear a shirt that you're okay with getting like messed up and everything, because you get bleach on it. I'm tired. I don't want to clean the rest of my room, but I know I need to, and I'm gonna do it anyway, even though I don't want to, but we are. So that is the update. Hey guys, so I'm just gonna end off my vlog here. I'm about to do a face mask, but I am mostly clean up with my room. I'm just trying to organize things a little better. It's clean, it's getting there. I printed my label for my Chegg textbooks to turn back in, which, by the way, if you haven't used Chegg, you get boxes like this. They're super cheap and they're easy, and you get like free stuff when you order your textbooks, so I definitely recommend using that if you're like in college and you need textbooks. I also decided to start a Poshmark, so you guys can follow that. I'll have it linked down below and my username will be right here. Make sure to go check it out. I have a couple listings on Poshmark. I've decided to use it because your girl is broke and needs some money, so help a girl out, buy some of her Poshmark items. That would be great. And I'm gonna end off the vlog. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. The link is down below at the end of this video, right up here. And also make sure to watch all of my other Vlogmases. The playlist is always, the 2018 Vlogmas playlist is always listed at the end. And make sure to follow my social medias. They are right here and linked down below as well. And I will see you in tomorrow's Vlogmas. Bye!